Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Western Union to Easypaisa account. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Western Union, log into your Western Union account. Once you've logged into your Western Union account here, so you're going to click on, like as usual, send money or start new transfer, like how you're going to start a transaction on Western Union. So just choose that, and then what you're going to do, you're going to select the country. So click on the country and select Pakistan, since we're going to send it to Easypaisa. So select Pakistan. Okay, hit on continue, and then now what you're going to do, you're going to select the amount that you want to send. So just whatever the amount, just type that in, hit on check fees. So this will calculate the transaction fees and everything. So and select how you want to pay, you make the payment. So just debit, okay, that's fine. And then here in the receiver method, so choose mobile wallet, because you're going to use Easypaisa, so choose mobile wallet. Once you're done with that, hit on continue. So when you hit on continue, it's going to ask you for the receiver information. So here what you need to do, just go to select the receiver, so click on add new, and then plug in the details of the receiver. So whoever you want to send it to, just plug that in. And once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply hit on continue, and then it's going to ask you for your Easypaisa account details. So since you're sending it to your mobile wallet on Easypaisa, so you need the details of your digital bank account on Easypaisa. So whatever that account is, the receiver's account details, just plug that in and then complete the transaction once you're done with the payment. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.